Oh, shit.
Yeah, that didn't work.
That was very exciting. Didn't I say that would happen?
Sorry, just trying to do a deodorant can now. Wait, come on, give me a look, quick.
Oh shit, it's on the side. No, we can do it right now.
Oh shit, I can be pointing at us. I'm going to shoot.
Hey, what, wait. Oh my god, it's flying towards the house.
Yeah, I think.
People keep shooting. Let's have a shot. Oh shit, I'm just dropped. Chat, let's have a shot. No, yeah. I'm on shot. Can't click back and shoot it. No. You're not going to get it.
Shoot,
You'll get the... Oh! No, it went Jack. Jack to the clip. There's one more, Yeah, shot. Get it.
Jack, where is it? The other one?
There.
Oh, not the bullet.
Oh!
That was not him!
No, shit, he was like fucking ducking, you know. Look, God, that was your Jack. Nothing in it. The roof.
No, you didn't. You hit your shot and it went when I shot it, went instantly. Yours didn't.
I swear on my God, that's great. No, Jack,
don't do that because you didn't shoot it.
No, I did.
No, you didn't.
Did you shoot it, Jack? Yes, I did. Oh, shut the light on Jack's face. Swear on my life.
Now.
He doesn't know, does he? No. I went like that, shot it, and then it went boof. Yeah, a second later, exactly.
Oh, yeah, I've got the next shot.
I'm not being funny yet. It doesn't take a second to get over there. Are you good at physics?
No, he went, he shot it, yeah, and it went, he shot it, he went,
exactly.
When I shot it, it went straight away. When I shot it, it went instantly back.
Well, that was the explosion.